Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your name in Free Fire Max using your mobile device. The process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video. First of all, open up your Free Fire Max application, and once you're in this lobby screen, tap on your username or your avatar at the top left. This will open up this profile section, where you need to tap on the little gear button right above your name at the top right. Now, this will open up the player info section. Inside basic, go ahead and tap on the nickname field and then enter a new nickname for yourself. Once done, you will need to spend 390 diamonds in order to change your name. Simply tap on the yellow button at the bottom where you can see the diamond price, and once you have sufficient diamond, you will then be able to make edit on your username. If you don't have enough diamonds, the game will prompt you to top up. To top up, tap on go to top up and make sure you top up for diamonds by making an online purchase. And by following this step, you will be able to change your name or your nickname in Free Fire Max. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.